Hola mis amigos, we're gonna do our little ghost activity. I hope you enjoyed the story about going on a ghost hunt. Alright, these are the things you're gonna need. Scissors, glue stick, your little ghost paper, and the strip of black paper. So what you want to do with the strip of black paper is just kind of open it up that way. And if you notice, the ghosts all have numbers on them, and our job is going to be to glue them onto this black paper in the correct order. So the first thing you want to do is take your scissors, and you're going to cut every single one of these ghosts out. And make sure that when you're cutting, that you're holding the scissors correctly. So remember, you have to have your thumb on top when you're cutting, and the other hand holds your paper and turns the paper like this in the direction that you want to cut. Alright, so there's one of the ghosts, and I'm just gonna cut these out like this so I don't have to hold a big piece of paper. Alright, now I'm going to cut this one out. So when you're cutting, also remember to cut out all the extra white paper off. You want to try to cut as much as you can on the line, so you get a really nice clean cut. So see right here, it's kind of hard because it's sharp angle, so you kind of have to slow down. And then when it's a big line like this, then you can open up your scissors pretty wide, and then just one push down and it gets it across. And then remember to use this hand to make sure you're turning your paper in the direction you want to cut. Get rid of the extra paper out of the way. And let's just cut all of these out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the story. And you know, that's probably the only way Mrs. Coriano can share lots of stories with you right now, but once we get back in the classroom, we'll be reading a lot more stories. Alright, and with that one, so if you guys take longer to cut, please don't hurry. Instead, you can pause the video, and then when you're done cutting, you can just play it again. Mrs. Coriano cuts pretty fast, so try not to cut too fast, because then you might cut off the ghost's head or the arm, right? We don't want to do that. One more ghost to go. And we're doing the team numbers here. So the team numbers are the ones that have a 1 in front. Why do they have a 1? Because there's one 10 string that is full, remember? We call it 110. Alright, we're done with the cutting. Now if you want to pause the video, you can right now, so that you can catch up with your cutting. Alright, if not, we're going to take the ghosts and put them in order. So first we got to look at which is the least number. Which one is the one that's less? This is 11. Let's see, 15, 12, 13, and 14. So you can tell by looking at the last number which one is the smallest number, because all of them have a 1 in the front. So this one is the one that has a 1 as an extra. 1 1. This one has 5 1s. This one has 2 1s, 4 1s, and 3 1s. So this is going to be our least number. That one goes first. Don't glue it down yet. Just put it on your paper. And try to make this paper not to fold anymore. Alright, and then this one would go next. 11, 12, 13. What's next? 14 and 15. Now your last job is to make sure they're not all pushed together like this. Alright, make sure that you put a little space in between. And you can also take a crayon. I'm probably going to use a white crayon and write my name down here so I remember that I need this. Alright, and you guys can do the same thing on yours. And then the last thing is all you have to do is glue it down. Alright, when you're done gluing it, go ahead and take a picture of yourself with your ghost on Seesaw, because that way it's proof that you did it. Okay? Have fun, guys.